Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how to enter split screen on RUGONE Xever 7 Pro. Let's go. Okay guys, so it's very easy. All you need to do is open two apps like Google and YouTube, for example. Okay, I don't know why it exits, but we have it to here. Then we hold here, split screen, and then we select the another app. I think there is something wrong with YouTube, so I will use Play Store just to show you. Okay, we hold here, split screen, we select Google, and as you can see we can do two things at once. You can, even if you want it to be bigger, smaller, it works fine. Thank you guys for watching, have a good day and goodbye.